63. How about that? Got Kenny pulling out with a hellacious cat right there. Yeah. Make sure you got the trunk closed and nothing falls out. Make sure you got the trunk closed so nothing falls out like that time with the Jeep. Whoa! He uncorked the headers. That'd be Kenny King. The hellacious Hellcat. Brembo brakes. Yeah, SRT. Whoa! That'd be the Hellcat. Kenny King getting squirrely. GMC step side. We're in bonus donuts coverage. XP Gasser 54 Chevy. Bel Air. No post. F1 Hyundai. In black. Yeah, cold, blowing smoke out. Well, not smoke, but just blowing some cold air out because it's a little cold out here this morning. So there you have it. Bonus donuts. Rocking on. Yeah, we got two. $707 horsepower. Kenny King's Hellcat. This 39. Cool. There we got. Check it out. We got Cody coming down here. Look at that. Best of show last night at Gary's Classic Car Elk Club show. Alrighty. Wow. Look it out. Cody, you got the dad driving. What up? Look at that. Real hot rod. There goes Cody. 56. Post for sale. American Mag. Yeah. Now look at here. 210. That's what everybody likes right here. How cool is this, huh? Yeah. The road can get squirrely. There you go. Bonus donuts. Bonus donuts continues. Got two. Later, my brother. Sounds good, huh? Look at this. Look at this. Austin Healy. It's got guns on it. How cool is this, huh? Emmerich's Ironworks since 1999. Wow, if that's real, that's a lot of weight back there. Bonus donuts. Adams Avenue Donuts before the mid-80s. World famous on Dano Vision. Bonus donuts. We even got them at the pumps. One of my most favorite shots I always like to take is cars at the pumps. I wish I had my Sony on me in HDR. It would look real cool. Yeah. Cool shot here. How about that? Donuts rolls on. Look at that. 6-day Roadrunner. Woo!
You look at the
Let's go and check out what's going on here at the donut shop. Look who we got here! Whoa! The second shift. Oh man! We're wondering where Neville was. That's why he's not here. Because Jane's here. She's gonna hate me. Oh, this is going on here at the donut shop. There's Liz. Cool. Look at, we got usually a line here, but I'm a little late. So Louise back there. Adams Avenue Donut Shop. Live on television. Cool.